Welcome to the beautiful city of Poland, Gdańsk. Gdańsk. You can visit even the old town with these cars. Hi! These buildings are all so gorgeous. So we were on the other side earlier, and now we're here. You can see over there, and the bridge that he was telling me about is that one. And when there's a boat, like a kind of twist, and it becomes in the middle and just goes like this. Pretty cool, yeah. And there are lots of boats. Another thing that I found out is they do a lot of they make a lots of boats here, like the yachts, right?
Yes.
They build them here and they sell them out to other countries because it's cheaper to make them
Poland
here.
has the best prices in Europe.
Yeah.
Maybe you make the project in Spain and then you beat it here.
So yeah, another thing Poland provides is yachts, emerald, and the largest provider for apples as well.
No, not
Yeah.
apples.
Yeah,
I think
apples.
The amber.
Amber.
Amber is the first one, maybe.
Yeah,
And
no,
yachts, maybe the first or something.
Yeah.
I'm confused too. I'm sorry.
No, what I meant was the provider for apple in Europe.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Ah, Jan told you.
No, I knew this because I
Oh.
investigated this. There's number one country in Europe that provides apple, and now I learned about they also have yachts. Because I mean, there's a lots of there's lots
everywhere
of
on
yachts
the sea,
everywhere
on the sea.
here as well.
Also, the Baltic Sea is a very good place where to construct them.
Yeah.
Because the sea is always quiet.
There is no waves,
Yes.
so it doesn't disturb
And there is an
them.
area near Szczecin, which
Yeah.
is a lake just before the sea. So the river becomes a lake, and then it has an opening to the sea. So in this lake, it's also where Hitler wanted to test its boats.
Poland is a country that was never with Germany. Like they were always like fighting with Germany against this. How do you say Hitler and Nazi and communist business?
Communist is from
they-
Russia.
Yeah, so they were never with the because a lots of countries in Europe like kind of joined with Hitler with all of this business.
Like Italy.
Yeah, like Italy and other countries as well. But Poland didn't, and they fought till the end. So the Polish speak Polish, and what else? Is there any other languages that Polish people speak?
No. Polish speak Polish. It's also the second hardest language on the planet. Maybe
Yes.
for some people the first. It's Polish and Chinese are the hardest two languages.
And Finnish.
Finnish too.
Finish is very difficult.
It's crazy difficult.
Okay, so in Poland they speak Polish, and the money that they use, even though it's in European Union, is not euro. What is it?
It's złote. PLN in
Water?
Złote.
Złote.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, they did that because they noticed that the other countries in Europe, they were losing money, they were losing access to resources and so on when they changed it to Europe because everything became so expensive. So they decided to go against it. The European Union tried to force them to put
change?
the euro, but
Yeah.
they are always saying, yeah, next year,
Next year?
next year.
So how much is €1 in
For zloty 50. For zloty 50.
for zloty 50? Okay.
Yes.
Is it expensive here or not?
No, it's good if you come with euros. If you get a Western Europe salary, you have a pretty nice life in Poland.
Okay.
Like the cost of life, I think you notice it's half the price of Spain, Italy, Germany, and I don't know if you noticed. I mean, she never paid today, so she didn't notice anything.
Okay, no, because like I came here with euros and I don't really have the Polish money yet. So we need to find somewhere where we can change the money, so I can understand really how the money works. You
Yes.
know, but so far, like how much did we spend for lunch, for example?
For lunch, actually, we spent quite a lot. I think like 17 euros or 20 euros. But because we tried different things, I drank 2 beers. No, one. Sorry, guys, I'm a good guy.
It's okay, you're not a bad guy for drinking beer. Come on now. Now we're gonna go up to the tower and see Gdańsk from the top. So to go up to the tower, you have to pay how much?
10 zloty, which is like $2.50.
and we'll see what type of view we get for this amount of
It's
money.
not a good idea to do it after lunch.
Why? Because you have to do stairs.
Yes, millions.
You exercise, yes.
Yeah, this is
So
good.
do it after, you know, like in the morning, for breakfast, or before lunch. We made it, and now we have this amazing, beautiful view. Wow. There's stairs and less, like, you know, you need to exercise a little bit, but it's worth it. It is super beautiful up here, and you get to see this beautiful square as well. And of course, this beautiful church right behind us. That's the biggest brick church in Europe, and you can see it from here. It's like as if it's right next to you. How good is that? And there's concerts happening downstairs, so
Let's play one from.
I find really amazing here is everything here is reconstructed after the war, right? But even the new buildings that they're building, they still maintain the architecture the way it used to be.
That's the law.
And I think that is fantastic because we're looking at now new buildings like with a modern twist, but they still have the same type of architectural
Also,
designs.
they cannot go higher than this
Yeah.
because they would spoil the view of the city.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Look, you see, like these are like the modern with the, you know, more slick type of look. But it's still, you know, it keeps on the architectural design. Yeah, it's very beautiful. We need to, like other places need to learn this from here. Oh, parties happening over there. I'm very impressed with this place because I was not oh, look at the bird! Bird! I didn't know what to expect in this place, and I'm very surprised and happy with, it's a beautiful surprise what I found, so.
Most suggested city in Poland in summer.
Absolutely, absolutely, and it's my first city in Poland, and I'm very impressed. And thank you.
I told you that from now on everything is gonna be trash.
After this, right?
Drunk situations, and the best vlog ever is about to come.
No, but I'm happy about this place. It's gorgeous. Jokes aside, the more I stayed in the country, the more cities I visited, the more fascinated that I become of the people, the culture, the history, and everything about Poland. If you want to see this city, I think you need more days than one day, because there are, if you wanted to go to lots of museums and go inside and explore it properly. But
if you would like to party too.
Exactly, and if you want to party as well, because it's a big scene of party here, and you can go to the beach as well because there is also a beach. But we just wanted to go in the city and enjoy the architecture and all of this beautiful stuff. Apart from the tower, you can also come to Gora Gradova to have this beautiful panoramic view of the city.
It's for the same price you can get a much better.
Also a fort, no?
Yeah, that's the fortifications of Gdańsk. Oh. Like the remains, because
The remains,
most
yeah.
of it is destroyed by now.
It's like we're in the jungle, but we're in the city. That's how it's beautiful.
It's a very, very long time
You have not walked here, no?
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the next one. Bye! Oh, that's nice.